What is Mel's beauty skincare routine? Oh, what do you use on your face? Your skin is so nice. This is the detailed video. Please click on the subscribe button. Wow, I noticed I was breaking out. Then I grabbed my clay marks by Simple. So this clay marks, or clay mud marks, would help to detox your skin, help to remove impurities, so I allowed it to stay on my skin for 10 minutes. Then I washed it off using a simple purifying face cleanser. Well, I use a lot of face cleansers in this point. I didn't want to go too much exfoliating because I already exfoliated using the clay marks. So clay marks helps to remove excess oil and impurities. It is good for both oily skin and acne prone skin. Second step, I grab my salicylic acid toner. So this is by Clean and Clear. It helps to remove dead skin cells. Salicylic acid is a BHA that helps to unclog the pores and helps to reduce inflammation. The third step is using my serums. So this one is from the 9 layers trisemic acid serum. I really love this one. It contains trisemic acid, which is going to help to reduce my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So this one is the Good Molecules niacinamide serum. It's going to help to reduce oil controls, reduce large pores. This panoxyl is a moisturizer and also a sunscreen, so it's 2 in 1. Then I used my gusha to sculpt my face, and that is all about morning routine. So let's go to night routine. So in the night, I like to think of treats and maintain my skin. Yes, so I go in with the rice toner. It helps with hyperpigmentation. You can see the way I'm tapping the toner into my skin. This is the proper way of how you can apply your toner. Well, I'm going to use a serum that has alpha-butane and niacinamide and trisemic acid, which is this one, but I ran out of it, so I used this one instead. Well, to me, this doesn't really suit my sensitive skin, so I'm just managing it. Then I applied my Neutrogena Clear and Defend again because I'm having breakout. And then I love this eye cream. Helps to plump my under eyes, make it not to get darker. And then I applied all my smile lines as well because those places deserve hydration as well. So this helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles on your smile lines and also your nasolabial folds. This is the Mary and May collagen eye cream. Then my favorite part, moisturizers. I use the Beauty of Juicing moisturizers. You guys, please note that I don't use any whitening product on my face. Then my favorite part, skin slugging with Vaseline. So I take very little. I apply them on my skin once a week. I heard it also makes the lashes grow. I'm going to be trying that with my real lashes, but I apply this on my eyebrow, my lips, my skin, and it makes me look so fresh the next morning. Then I use this face massager on my skin. It has like a LED light. My daddy gifted this to me last year as a birthday gift. So it has different colors. So I started with the red. I think the red is for anti-aging. Then I think I changed the frequency much later. And yes, this is my morning and night routine. I hope you learn 1 or 2 from this video. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much for supporting. Out of all the products I listed out, which one have you tried out and which is your favorite, and what do you use on your face? What's your routine like? Share with us so that we can learn 1 or 2 things. Thank you for sticking by. Well, I just told my dad to get me this for aesthetic because I use it like once in 6 months, but now I want to be consistent with it so I can see real results. Leave your questions below, subscribe.